Hey everyone, it's JD Jugs with the Book of Clarity, and today we're going to be talking about a legislative bill that is passed in the state of Florida, and it went through the legislative process extremely quickly. I want to get right into this with you guys because it has some major impacts on our kids. So, this is called Senate Bill 254. Again, Senate Bill 254. This bill prohibits hormone therapy treatments, any type of sex reassignment surgeries for minors under the age of 18. Now, here's the crazy part about this, okay? A lot of mainstream medicine doesn't really address a lot of the issues that LGBTQIA plus community goes through on a daily basis. Our laws aren't keeping up with everything that's happening. So Florida is really setting a precedent with this, okay? And keep in mind, from a judiciary standpoint, Governor Ron DeSantis here in Florida has already appointed 100 judges, almost all of whom are right-wing leaning. Okay, so keep that in mind when it comes to lawsuits which are already pending for this law, SB 254, represented by Senator Clay Yarborough, who represents Jacksonville area, my hometown. All right, it's always the Jags, all that good stuff. But check this out. Here's some items that we really need to talk about. Is this good for kids under 18? They say you're an adult at 18. They say 21 is the legal age to drink, even though it wasn't always that way. Should we be giving children the option of doing this sex reassignment surgery before the age of 18? It sounds kind of crazy because hormones has a huge impact on our lives. You know, cortisol, adrenaline, we can go down a long list of these things. We already know that kids go through a lot at puberty as it is, but to say we're going to switch it from whatever the natural order is that they were born with, that is a lot, okay? Here's the other important part about this bill, and this is from the Foley Group. This is an exclusive that I got for you guys, okay? The Foley and Lardner Law Group says this about the bill. If it's for individuals 18 years of age and up, this is what happens. For every treatment or individual hormone, they must be in person only with a physician and they have to give voluntary written consent. Failure to do so is a first-degree misdemeanor in the court system. The punishment for children under 18 is the court may elect to temporarily remove the child from the parent's home if they violate this law. This is huge. Anytime the government can intervene and take a child away from a parent, that is very serious. This is something that needs to be a discussion. This law went into committee in March of this year and was passed in May. In a legislative sense, that is insanely fast, the way they pushed this law through. What do you guys think about this? Do you think this is a good law for minors? Do you think this is a good law for Florida? This is a precedent because Florida is a swing state, as we all know, in national elections. So this can have major repercussions, not only for the very many Floridians in our state, but also across the country. I'm JD Jugs. This is the Book of Clarity. I've been clarifying this law for you. In future videos, we'll be addressing some more. Like, comment, subscribe, Book of Clarity on Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. I appreciate all of you all support. Drop your comments below because this is a major topic and this is one of only 300 laws that's already passed in legislative session here in Florida this year.